inside Zeppelin's Bar, which is located in Station 300, which is the biggest, best family fun center in the area, and we are talking about everything they have going on here. Jody, can you tell us a little bit about what kind of things go on at
Sure.
Zeppelin's in Station
Well, we're 33,000 square feet of fun.
33,000 square feet
Cool fun in the summertime.
Of air-conditioned
Yes.
fun.
So we have the 24 lanes of bowling,
Okay.
high-tech bowling. Do a lot of fun things with our lanes, a lot of different games, 9-pin no tap, 8-pin no tap, all kinds of fun things.
Wait, okay, I'm sorry. 8-pin, 9-pin no tap, you're over my head there, Jody.
8 or 9 pins on the first ball, but it's 8-pin no tap. 8 pins is a strike. 9 pins on the first ball, 9 pins is a strike.
Wow.
And a lot of people respond when we have these 9-pin no tap tournaments, which we'll be doing some of in June and July. They come out for that.
I wouldn't need the bumpers if I had that kind of option.
That'd be cheating.
So in addition to the bowling, there's so much to do
Oh,
here.
yes. We have a high-tech arcade, 50 of the latest, greatest cutting-edge games for all ages, from classic Pac-Man on the biggest screen around, to Space Invaders Frenzy, to kids games like Hammerhead Shark, where they're beating the sharks down.
Oh,
we have
my little
games
one loves that.
Every age range in our arcade.
And tell me a little bit about Zeppelin's.
Yes, it's a full-service restaurant and bar.
Okay.
So we're standing in the bar. The restaurant's all around us, and we have the ability, we have a full-scale menu, appetizers, entrees, salads, sandwiches, full array of beverages, obviously a well-stocked bar. So we have the ability to serve anyone in the food and beverage capacity.
Okay. Now, this summer in July, you guys are doing something really, really fabulous for everybody in the area that protects us. Tell us a little bit about that.
We're having a Serve and Protect month, and all military, firefighters, EMT, first responders, police officers are dollar games on Sundays with their families. It's just a way to honor and say thank you to those in the community.
Yeah, they keep us safe, so this is our way of giving back to them.
And there's going to be maybe like a firefighters versus police officers
We
tournament?
would very much like toward the end of the month to have a tournament on the last Sunday and make it firemen versus police, which I think would be really cool.
It would be. I might have to come out and watch that one.
I think we could get some of the community to turn out for that as well. So we'll see how that all works out.
That's just, it's thoughtful and it's nice because they really do put their lives on the line to keep us safe. So to do something to give back to them is just, it's really wonderful.
And also for our military.
And our military.
And we have a high military presence in Beaufort County. It's also for them to keep us safe every day.
Well, thank you for that.
Thank them for that.
I will thank them for that. Talk to me about some catering options. If I need something brought outside, how does that work?
Well, we have a new food and beverage manager. His name is Michael Chapman. He's a Johnson & Wales trained chef.
Excellent.
And his expertise lies in catering.
Okay.
So Zeppelin's has the ability to cater any event of any size.
Wow.
I would say any place, we would try to accommodate virtually any place in the Low Country.
Right.
We have a whole catering menu that's separate from our regular entree menu. And he has several choices lined out. And that we're going to be working on building that as the months go by into something a little bit bigger.
Okay.
But Zeppelin's, for all your catering needs, we are here and we are ready.
That's really good to know because everybody's always looking for either something new or different, or they might have loved coming to Zeppelin's but not realize that they could bring it to their party.
And they might not think that a catering option exists inside of a bowling center.
They don't, and that's what's so unique about this bowling center is it's so much more than just a bowling center, you know. Don't go in your mind to a bowling alley of days of past. I mean, this is a really cool facility.
We try and be very community-minded and try to be open and accessible and able to serve the community in any way that we can. So catering is just one of those ways.
Well, thank you very much. This summer, when you are looking for something to do, come out to Station 300. They have lanes of bowling, lots of really great arcade games, beautiful full-service restaurant with outdoor dining. They're doing a Serve and Protect all July to honor those who protect us, and they can cater any party, any size, anywhere in the Low Country. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you. Appreciate it.